Hello friends, welcome back to Miya's Spice World. Today we will be making crispy, tasty and spicy Methi Puri. They can be eaten as breakfast, lunch or dinner. It can also be a simple evening tea time snack. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and also hit the bell button for latest notifications. Do watch this video till the end. So, let's get started. Let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here, I have taken 2 cups of fresh and clean methi or fenugreek leaves, 2 cups of atta, 1 cup of besan or gram flour. Finely chop the methi leaves and keep aside. Take a white bowl, add atta and besan. To this, add the chopped methi leaves. Now add salt, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon ajwain. Next add a pinch of hing, 2 tablespoons of curd and 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Mix everything well and make a tight dough. Apply little oil and keep it covered for 15 minutes. Make equal small lemon-sized balls and with little oil roll out the puris. Ensure the puris are rolled out evenly and little thick. Heat oil in a kadai. And fry the puris in medium hot oil until they turn crispy and golden brown in color. Remove them and place on a tissue to drain off the excess oil. Repeat the process for the remaining dough. Our hot and crispy methi puris are ready to be served. Enjoy with raita, pickle or any dry sabji of your choice. Do try this recipe and give your feedback. Meet you soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, keep smiling and stay safe.